Ah, yes! Today's a big day. And you know why? Because AirPods Max were released yesterday. So today is a big day. So let's talk about AirPods Max. Now, I heard the name and I was like, AirPods Max? Are they like these giant earbuds? And then it clicked and I saw the picture and they are Apple's first headphones. So Apple's never made headphones. And so they came out with these. They posted 2 different videos, pretty incredible videos, and they talk about the tech specs and why you should buy Apple headphones. And then they said the price, which they didn't say the price in the video, but they said it online and people are talking about it all over the internet. So let's just talk about what they are and what comes with them, and then I'll tell you the price and see if you want to buy them. And there's also something very funny about these that I'm going to tell you at the end of the video that you may have already heard about. So, they are very similar to AirPods Pro with the features they have. So of course they're headphones, but they're this new, completely different headphone style. Somewhat boxy over-ear fit. They're kind of like square almost. That's what I mean by boxy, not big. They're actually somewhat flat and very slim, but a different style. I don't know if I really like it, but it's cool and I bet it's really comfortable. So you have that, you have telescoping above the ears, essentially on both sides. You can see it pull out, and this aluminum joint that moves around to fit your head really well. And then this web net at the top, and this is weird web net for a breathable but really, really comfortable fit. And they come in 5 different colors. The favorite one I would say is the blue or the space gray for me. Those are just some really cool colors. The green is a little bit light, more of a mint green. There's the style. Then we talk about the features that are like AirPods Pro. So you have noise canceling, best in the industry. That's what they say. I can't wait to test that. I probably won't test it. Other people will. I can't wait to see them test it. So you have noise canceling, but then you have transparency mode, which is just like AirPods Pro. Transparency mode, which is super cool, especially in headphones. And then you have spatial audio, which came to the AirPods Pro with iOS 14. So that's pretty cool to have. You have 20-hour playtime, so you have 20 hours of battery life. So it takes 5 minutes to get an hour and a half of playback time. That's pretty cool. You have just one button on the top that you can click to go from noise canceling to transparency mode, which is super nice. AirPods, you have to hold it until it switches. This is just one click, boom, one click goes back. Then you have a crown on top of it, so not like a crown. A crown like on your watch. It looks somewhat the same, looks very Apple-y, cool design. I'm guessing you would do Siri with that, adjust the volume, maybe skip a song. So no like touch pads on it like a lot of the newer headphones have, like Bose or Sony. So those are some of the features, and some super, super high quality sound is what they're saying. And the price is crazy, so I'm hoping you do get some of the best sound out there. You have these magnetized cushions for your ears, the cushion pad. So that just bop, magnets right on. That's pretty cool. They never talked about the price in the video. Okay, never talked about the price. The price comes and it's $549. Just let that sink in, okay? Sony and Bose have $400 headphones. $450 headphones. Not much above that. But Apple comes out with one headphone at $549. That's half of the iPhone Max if you get the base 64 gigabytes. That's half of this price for headphones. I think I'm gonna be keeping my AirPods Pro. So let me know if you guys are gonna be buying the AirPods Max. They're gonna be released on December 15, which is like 6 days, 5 days away, depending on when you're watching this. And I can't wait to see people's reactions to the price and what you're getting, because everybody shoots down Apple for their price. You know, their AirPods, their phones, their computers, their iPads, their HomePods, all of that stuff. But I want to actually see what you actually are getting with these headphones. So, pretty cool video. I'm just going to show a couple clips. Of course, I already have, but I don't know, because who needs AirPods and headphones that are both Apple and expensive? My other thing I want to talk about is if they came out with AirPods Max, are they going to come out with AirPods Pro 2nd gen or AirPods Pro 2? Because that's what I was looking forward to, is having some new AirPods, because last year we got them and they were super cool. I use them all the time. Best earbuds I've ever used. But is this taking the place of AirPods? Like AirPods that fit in your ear? I want to know what you guys think about that. And if you're going to be getting these AirPods Max. It's kind of a funny name too. It's not funny, but AirPods Max. It kind of sounds funny if you say it over and over again. AirPods Max. AirPods Max. AirPods Max. It should be AirPod Max. Never mind. Doesn't sound good. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll have the link down in the description if you want to watch both of the AirPods Max videos. And if you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing if you're new to this channel. And I'm excited, but at the same time, I'm kind of bummed at the price. Because if it was $400, maybe $425, somewhere around there, I may consider it. But $549 is a lot of money. The funny thing I wanted to talk about is let me know what this case looks like. It's a carrying case for the AirPods Max. What do you think it looks like? Because the internet is going crazy and saying it looks like either a purse or a bra. And I'm not joking. That's what people are thinking it looks like. And I have to say, it looks like both. So let me know what you guys think it looks like, and we'll discuss it.